Beautiful kitchen designs for success. Hi, I'm Karina. A new product just arrived in our showrooms, the rotisserie machine, perfect for barbecue restaurant and outdoor grilling. It helps you cook delicious grilled meats faster and more efficiently. The countertop design is compact and space-saving, fitting perfectly into restaurants and outdoors. The 3 or 5 layers racks let you cook more at once, saving time and boosting efficiencies during peak hour. It has dual 2.6 kW heating, ensuring fast and even cooking. The rotating features guarantees the meat is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Plus, it uses LPG gas, making it energy efficient and cost effective. This machine is a must-have for faster grilling and a more successful business. Are you interested? Leave a comment below or email us for pricing. I'm Karina. I will see you next time. Bye.